Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to make the cutest Coachella headbands you've ever seen. Teaching you guys how to make them all floral looking for Coachella. So if you like this video, click like and let's get on into it.
So there are three things that you're going to need to make any of these headbands I'm showing you. Number one, headbands. Number two, flowers. Number three, hot glue. You can get all these materials at the Dollar Tree. So I am using a lid of a large mason jar and I'm putting the headband around it, and then I'm going to glue on the flowers. I was surprised to find out that hot glue worked just as good as E6000 would when making these headbands. So it's super simple. You take your flowers and you glue them on. You can add ribbon, you can add rhinestones, jewels, whatever floats your boat. These are just a few variations that I came up with. This one, I just had some flowers sitting around. Now this black one, I got flowers from Michael's craft store. They were only $1.50, and I'm gluing those on and adding rhinestones to the middle. I thought that these flowers were pretty, but I thought they needed rhinestones in the middle of them and that they would look so much better, and I was right, they did. This next one is a purple one with the same type of flowers from Michael's craft store, and I am gluing really large rhinestones in the center of them, and right in the middle I am gluing one dark rhinestone. So the flower in the center will have a dark rhinestone, the other ones will have matching. And this one turned out super cute. This next one, I picked up these super pretty flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I just pulled them off the stems and then hot glued them onto the headband. I thought that these flowers were like super Coachella looking, so that's why I chose them, and I thought that they were a pretty color because they were blue and they faded out to purple. Super cute. Next is this really pretty red one. So I chose to use the same flowers as I did for the earlier ones from Michael's craft store, and then I found these flower jewels and I added them to the center and to the middle of the headband and the sides of the headband, and it turned out looking really cute too. For this last one, I'm using Dollar Tree's cherry blossoms. I pulled them off of the stem and hot glued them onto the headband. Some of them had leaves, so I left them, and other ones didn't. And I thought this one turned out so cute. You could wear it with anything.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know down below which flower headband you guys like the most. I think that my favorite is this one, and then I also really like the white hairband because you can wear it with anything. Let me know down below, and I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye!